Hello friends, Namaste to all of you. My name is Loken Singh and most welcome to my Sharp English Academy YouTube channel. Friends, today I have come to my village. It is 5th November 2023 and it is Sunday today, and there is a blood donation camp at my village at the open meeting place. So I am here to donate my blood. I want to inform you that we celebrate World Tsunami Awareness Day on 5th November every year. It is observed that on 5th November we all celebrate World Tsunami Awareness Day to highlight the dangers of tsunamis and to emphasize the importance of early warning systems in minimizing the damage caused by natural disasters. Friends, today it is Ahoy Ashtami festival also. It is a significant festival observed by Hindu married women for the health and longevity of their children. They keep a fast, they do not eat anything since morning till evening, and it is celebrated on the 8th day of the Krishna Paksha in the Kartik month this year. Friends, today we have shot this video in our village at the open meeting place where Mr. Gaurav, who runs a free library for the poor and helpless students in village without any charges. He is Mr. Gaurav with me. Now you can see with me who is standing behind me. He organizes such kind of camps every year or 3 or 4 times in a year. This is third biggest self-choice blood donation camp at our village where people are coming one by one and donating their blood. Friends, there may be so many benefits of donating blood. It saves you from heart attack, heart fail, cardio arrest, weight, diabetes, and some kind of blood cancers, migraine, and stress, tension. If you really want to keep yourself fit and healthy, so it is my humble request, at least donate 2 or 3 times your blood in a year. There will be no need to go to doctor if you are just observing or just doing this activity. It is it is my third time to donate blood in an year. I am donating it today third time, and if I really tell you, so I feel motivated myself after donating the blood. I always feel that I have saved the life of some needy person who is in need of the blood due to any accident or due to any other kind of accident or other kind of problems. So your body recovers your loss of blood soon, and you also come to know about the existing disease if it is being in your blood, because once this team comes to your home and takes your blood sample and takes the blood of you, and when they take it to their laboratory, they check that blood, and if they find any kind of major minor disease in your blood, if it is infection or any kind of hepatitis, any other kind of dengue, viral, and other any kind of problem which is related to your blood or your health, so they intimate you. So it means the test which you get for your body, for your health, that cost you approx 1000 rupees, that can be done without any charge, only donating your blood. So everybody feels comfortable. You can see with me so many people of my village, these all are the young, and they are self motivated to donate the blood. It is only the traditional thought of people that if you donate some blood, so your body will you will be uncomfortable, your body will require the blood and it will be lost to your body, it will be great loss to your body. I am not favoring these all kind of misconception held by people. You are requested to donate the blood, because donating blood is a is not only good for those people who are taking your blood to save their life, but it is also good to save your life also. So here we started this campaign. Here you see the picture of Bharat Mata, Saraswati Mata and Swami Vivekanand, where it is mentioned karm hi puja hai, the work is worship. These people are always in the favor of work is worship. If you are doing good work, your work will be worshipped. If we worship today Lord Sri Krishna, Lord Sri Ram, Hanuman, why? We do not worship them because they were God. We worship them because in the human being they did very good job for the sake of human life, for this nature, for this culture, for their religion, and we are doing their worship. We are doing their worship of their deeds, of their work, what they did for our nation. Not we are worshipping them, they are God. And friends, when you donate blood, you are giving the gift of life to someone. You are extending a helping hand to someone who is in need. Someone you may never meet, but those life will be forever changed by your generosity because your blood is running in their body. If you really want to make your image in the heart, in the life of others, so that very simple job is that donate your blood. Definitely you will be surviving in the heart, in the body of someone else. The impact of your donation is immeasurable. It is not just a bag of blood, it is a lifeline for a patient in a critical condition. A mother giving birth, a child battling cancer, or a victim of a tragic accident. Friends, the act of donating blood, it is out of the boundaries, race, region, culture, caste, religion, social and economic status. The blood is common and same in all kind of religious people, all kind of middle class, lower class, higher class people, and no in the complexions. If you talk about black people, fair people, they all have the same kind of blood in the human body. It unites us as one human life, one human family, showing that we are the connected by the common humanity. In times of disaster or crisis, blood donation are often the first line of defense. It is a vital resource that hospitals and medical professionals rely on to save lives. But blood donation is not just about the immediate impact, it is about creating a culture of empathy and altruism. It is about enlisting in ourselves and the generations to come the value of helping others in their time of need. When we donate our blood, we set an example for our children and for our society to inspire others to do the same. We create a ripple effect of compensation that can extend for beyond the donor's immediate circle. In addition to the profound emotional and moral rewards of blood donation, there are also personal health benefits. As already I have told you, I speak you again. Regular blood donation can help reduce the risk of certain medical conditions, improve cardiovascular health, and stimulate the production of fresh healthy blood cells in your body. It is the biggest benefit of donating the blood. So when you donate blood, you not only save life of others but also save your life also, and of your well-being also. Doctor says that eat an apple daily and keep the doctor away from you. But I would like to speak you one thing: donate your blood twice or thrice in a year and keep the doctor away from you, because many of the diseases will automatically go out if you are donating blood. There will be no clots, thick clots in your blood, which can stop pumping on your heart, that causes a heart attack or failure of heart. So brain hemorrhage, paralysis, such kind of major disease can be controlled by donating the blood. It is crucial to remember that blood is a finite resource and it is demand inconstant. There are no substitute or synthetic alternatives that can replace the precious gift of donating blood. That's why the responsibility lies in the each of us to step up and contribute. Friends, here I am taking juice. Mr. Gaurav has arranged good facilities and benefits for the blood donor. Ones who's donating blood, they are arranging sweet lemon juice for them. Friends, this is called what it is, an open gym in our village. I salute to the government of Uttar Pradesh, Yogi government, or we can say the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Mr. Yogi, who is paying attention on the development of rural life. Here you can see different machines. It is called open gym, and this gym has been set up in my village in Panchayat Bhavan, where people of my village, young generation, old people, come to this park every day and they work out. It is good for their health. I really salute or I thank you to the government of Uttar Pradesh, who's paying attention on the development of village people. Here I just going to take you inside now. You see, it is an it is a Sabhagar Kaksh. We call in English it is a meeting hall or meeting room, where you can see and can feel that a feeling of a village, where you see that is a that open this open meeting house is situated in an open place in a field of a government school, and people are coming here to donate their blood. You see, this is a beautiful picture. This picture is just making an image in your mind of a meeting where a lady is also sitting with some gents in the justice, so we can say equality of male and female. Mr. Bansal has reached to us. He is the great person. The facility of juice which is being given to the blood donor is being conducted by Mr. Bansal, who belongs to Kosikala. Is a good person and is very motivated person. And I talked to him first time over here. I spent lot of time with him. I am really impressed on his thoughts. He is a great person. He is very polite by his language. He speaks well enough to others. So he lightened the Jyoti lamp and in this activity. And Mr. Rajkumar, who is the founder of this blood charitable bank. His blood charitable bank is situated in Mathura and he lives in Koshikala. He is a great person. He belongs to Chhata. It is my third and fourth time meeting with him, and by nature he is so good person. He is so kinded person. I am appreciated. I appreciate the kindness of Mr. Rajkumar, who always in every blood camping or every blood donation camp, he motivates people and gives them some kind of gift. Last in the last blood donation camp, he distributed one photo of any kind of god and goddess, and also a water drinking bottle. And in the first blood donation, he distributed free of cost, without any charge, helmet to all the people. That is the symbol of saving the life from the injury or meeting an accident. So it is also a good thing. And this time he is giving some gifts to all the donor. And Mr. Bansal has arranged juice facility for all the blood donor. And Mr. Gaurav, who is running this library, and his slogan is revolution by pen, यानी कि कलम से क्रांति. He is donating, or he donates one pen. He has gifted one pen to each and every blood donor over here. And I am really appreciating here to the deed of Mr. Gaurav, who really arrange such kind of events over here, and focuses on all the government policies run for the welfare of our society and our village and our family. As discussed with him, he told me now any candidate, any employee from the government comes to this particular place in village, and the government is running an scheme. It is about insurance policy, health insurance policy, which is being given by government. Those family who have 6 members in the single family on a single ration card, they all are deserving, or they all deserve that health insurance policy, which capping is approx rupees 5 lakh. It means you can take the treatment benefits of deceased any kind of sickness, illness, injury, accident in your family. If it happens, free of cost, the government will meet your expenses or that treatment expenses, which is borne by which is taken by the hospital on you. So you need not to worry. This is also good step initiative taken by the government. I was not aware yet about this kind of a scheme, but Mr. Gaurav intimated me about this scheme, and I really appreciate such kind of things. Now we are just giving such some kind of memorable symbols to the people who are coming and donating their blood. Mr. Gaurav is also donating his blood right now, and he told us to organize some kind of events next time also. I also stood behind him as he requested me, sir, please come and make this day memorable with me. So I also went to him, and really friends, if I tell you, this is a good way of surviving your life. You know, there's any good kind of vibes come in your mind, come in your body when you do any kind of good job. I always feel such kind of things. You also donate your blood time to time, and Mr. Gaurav came, Mr. Rajkumar, who is the founder of Life Charitable Blood Bank Mathura. He belongs to Chhata but lives in Koshikala, right? Lives at Koshikala, and he came here with his team. His team members, his all the attendants,